As of 2018, Japan has a big problem of falling birth rates and an aging population, and in order to advance further development, the transfer of technical skills is a major task of many Japan manufacturing industries. In this series, I will introduce the situation and the countermeasures that JMA pursued at from 2006 Inches Technical Skill Succession Measures Study Group. In Series 1, I will introduce the facts and major problems of Japan's declining birth rate and aging population. Please look at this figure. This graph shows the change in the population of Japan. And the lower right is the composition of the population by age. As you can see, young people who are responsible for future input supply in Japan. For this reason, it is easily anticipated that many problems will occur here for us. Japanese industries put emphasis on the population problem shown here around 2007 and have taken countermeasures to address important business issues of each company. We called it 2007 problem. However, in companies with insufficient countermeasures, the number of bankrupt companies increased as shown in the figure. In order to counter this problem, companies have actively taken countermeasures shown on the left side of the figure now. In Japan, the lifetime employment system was common, and there were few cases where young people who came to work seemed to leave a company where they got a job. However, the turnover rate has increased with the booming economy and changes in the lives and culture of young people. In addition, the employment rate of companies is declining, so job change of young people is becoming popular. For this reason, when it takes a long time to manufacture products with high skill, big problems are occurring. Problems of developing young are shown in the lower left of the table. In order to improve such employment environment, companies need to think about employment and establishment conditions from the standpoint of youth. Here, if you will look at the life of a man drawn by Mr. Nakamura, you can see that young people concentrate on valuable lives. Of course, this condition is different for individuals. People are free because of the choice of occupation. However, if young people choose jobs with your company, companies can see the need for young people to create a corporate environment with longing for them. If your coach correctly communicates the meaning of work to employees and measures to foster employment growth and coaching skills, your subordinate person will increase skills dramatically. I think that this figure will be of your help at such time. At that time, you should avoid the mismatch zone shown in the figure. The reason is that many misunderstandings will be born. Everyone would like to know company cases that are doing superbly the contents that we have explained so far, I think. So, I would like to introduce the efforts of Heisei Kensetsu, which is the construction company. Efforts of this company are as shown in this figure. Please look at it later details of it. In Japan, the construction relation is a high turnover rate of 46.8% in 3 years. However, this company has maintained extremely high retention rate.